Hi guys, today I have here 230 liters and 62 gallons outdoor trash cans for repair purposes. These are the assemble instructions. As you can see, we have two lids, two compartments to storage your garbage, okay? Here are the parts. So let's start and assemble it. What I really like about them is that you can separate your trash if you want, and they're really nice. They can be outside or indoors, wherever you want to put them. They're quite sturdy. It's a very nice quality of the materials, which is perfect. I really like it. I'm gonna put these two bags and then close the lid to see how it works. Just like that, you have separate trash. So it's really nice, easy to assemble, sturdy, and I'm gonna put it on the back of my house. Okay, so I'm going to leave it here now, so it's handy. Anyone in the house can reach it. It's accessible, so we have it at hand. It will be perfect. So I will recommend it. See ya.